Yeah.
He giggles. Armed man holds hostage inside Apple Store. Oh, this is the story from yesterday. What a crazy development. It was happening live while we were live. Mm-hmm. It was a double live.
Yep.
It was the hostage situation unfolding on Twitter while we were live streaming our typical show.
What
It
a
was
crazy.
What a crazy.
That was insane.
What a crazy, all around crazy. It was Grand Theft Auto in real life. It turns out, like, as far as the details are concerned, there were demands for crypto. Of course, there were demands for crypto, Will. Go ahead, defend your crypto.
I got nothing.
Apparently, the demand was 200 million euros worth of crypto. They just say in cryptocurrencies. They don't say specifically what. He actually wanted distributed. He wanted a little polka dot. He actually wanted a portfolio.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a whole list.
Yeah. He's like, I got to be a couple NFTs in there.
Yeah.
You know.
It's written in crayon.
Yeah. He wants to be diversified, just like any of us, right? You got to have a little Solana in there.
Smart.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Staking opportunities, right?
Yeah, man. Come on. Because once he's into crypto, he got to figure something to do. This is not funny. This guy, obviously, not a cool guy. He's in there. He had explosives on him.
What?
And you imagine, he had an SMG on him. He was kidded. He was kidded. No, remember I said he looks a little wide on the front.
You thought it was a bulletproof at first, right?
Exactly. That's what I thought. Apparently,
he had a couple guns on him.
Oh, yeah.
Did he have bombs?
He had some explosives. That's what I read.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Let's see here. The tense 5 hours, scroll up a little bit if you don't mind. The tense 5-hour standoff paralyzed one of Amsterdam's most popular nightlife neighborhoods for hours Tuesday as scores of heavily armed police surrounded the store, managing to free about 70 people from the building that houses the shop before the suspect was detained. Now, I saw the video clip. They hit him with the car.
Oh, yeah.
You saw this?
They hit him with a car?
I didn't see that. That was the development. Here we go. OMG.
Can we show this?
Did he get killed?
He didn't get killed, no. He got injured. It was serious injuries.
It's serious.
But
It's serious. For sure it's serious. So he's running?
So the situation was that the hostage was running from him. He thought it was a good time to escape. And then the gunman tried to chase him down. Like, hey, get back here. And the cops just somehow...
they timed it well.
Timed it exactly right and hit the gunman. And he went flying.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's interesting to see something like that happen in real life, right? I would immediately think the car's going to go over him, right? But there's a speed aspect to it.
Yeah.
Where it actually puts him up on the hood. Now he's obviously seriously injured. It's a major impact.
Yeah. You could kind of see all the cops closing in, but they were scared of bomb threats because this guy would have been potentially holding bombs.
Yeah. Wow. That's what I read.
And then they had like the robot come in and kind of sniff out the bombs.
Well, never mind. Even if he just had an SMG on him, and you're rolling up in the unmarked car to execute the hit, like they must have had this planned. Go. And the dude hits the pedal.
Yeah.
Like they must have known this was their plan. If he emerges, we're gonna go with the car instead of shooting him.
Yeah.
Because there's for sure at this point, there's people lined up. They could shoot as well.
Exactly. Yeah.
But shooting, it might have been a more definitive death. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
I'm wondering which is the more.
That's the robot.
Whoa.
It's crazy.
That is really cool. That's some like Hurt Locker stuff.
It's crazy scenes, man. They had to bring in everybody. I mean, the guy. Imagine how many hours this was going on for.
Yeah, that was another thing. It was going on for so long.
Around 5 hours.
Imagine 5 hours. You're
And the hostage ran away.
Wait a second. Show that picture.
Courage.
What a weird picture. There's an SMG sitting beside the hostage.
But his arms look tied.
His arms are tied, but why you place the SMG right beside him?
He's like, do it. Grab the gun.
So weird.
I dare you.
Give me a reason.
No, it's like, it is strange, isn't it? In these type of circumstances, the weird kind of...
Yeah, he's not mentally stable. Or like, so...
No, but also the fact that they're chatting. Like, this image is so strange.
Yeah.
That you're forced to sort of chat with this guy out of the position of self-preservation.
Exactly.
To de-escalate as much as possible.
I can't believe he ran away. That is... I don't think I would have...
Yeah, there's the explosives right on his chest. Click the photo.
Oh my God! So he was kitted up.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Whoa.
Kitted, wired. It could have gone a lot worse. Shout out to law enforcement in this case. Could have gone a lot worse.
And then Gurman tweeted out Apple just made some sudden movements and decided to close their stores.
Of course.
Yeah. I mean, it's
Like
a crime
immediately.
scene.
Of course.
Like during the event.
Mo,
They just closed
Mo,
it.
you're not going back to work the next day.
No. No.
Okay, did you get the explosives out yet? Did we account for all those? You know what I mean?
I got a class today.
You just open a drawer and you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. This was during the event, so they were very hasty about it.
Hasty.
It wasn't after the fact.
Hasty.
Yeah.
Hasty market.
So
Delicious.
they closed their store while the event's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want none of this.
Anyway, so nobody died.
Nobody died.
The hostages got out. He
70 of them.
He was reprimanded. They didn't have to kill him.
Mm-hmm.
He was 27 years old, by the way, and it's crazy. You saw this situation unfolding. You saw the initial footage. You're like, oh boy, oh boy,
Yeah.
could go bad right here. Look, he's got the dog over there. You see, he's got Kovu right there.
Right there. Yeah. Cole was running the other way.
It
Cole was
actually looks like
scared.
he might have a Doberman, that officer. It's interesting. Look at all the laser sights on the guy. You see all that? All the
Yeah.
weapons pointed at him?
And they're like moving it around, maybe to let him know that they're all pointing at him.
Man.
Yeah, well, but also to indicate to the other officers, don't approach.
Yeah.
Like, or, I don't know. Like, we're ready to fire if we need to, type of thing, if he gets up. Because, again, if he's running out with the SMG, he could easily turn it on that vehicle as it approaches him.
Yeah.
He could easily turn it on the hostage he's chasing. So,